or lightly soiled clothes. Get soft, clean clothes after every wash, as these machines are equipped with an Aqua Energy feature that helps in better detergent dissolving and prevents the fading of your clothes. The machine enables both vertical and horizontal movement of clothes in the drum that provides uniform soaking and washing. Soft scrub pads and swirl jets of the drum ensure that dirt is removed from every corner of your fabric. Don't worry about lint anymore, because our lint tower filter traps all the lint and loose microfibers for you. With an innovatively built crescent moon drum design, this machine creates a gentle water cushion for your fabric. Disable your control panel and let your machine run with our child lock function to prevent any misoperation. An inbuilt sensor weighs the load of your clothes and automatically adjusts the settings accordingly to save water as well as detergent. This machine comes with 2 wheels at the back of the machine to enable quick mobility. Our machines are built to last, which is why we provide a 4-year super warranty along with 10-year warranty on spare parts and 10 years on motor warranty. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit cards and net banking. We provide you with a 10-day